If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop on nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, now you be the final. Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego. Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego. As I get this money, let they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way and my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. I go to ide for second, take a
So now this thing they happen for this house. Hey! Person dey inside water soap with the enter in eye. So this is why they ask this girl for sins. Now guys she dey carry and go give. I talk am. See this guy wey she dey do for me don't too much. This guy gets something wey follow am. So Noga dey swim inside the swimming pool. He go swim finish, Piam he go dry body. She go dey do guy for me. You wicked. Nay, if there is anything called wicked, that is whom you are. You are a wicked girl, you are a wicked soul. You are stingy. Everything about you is wicked. In fact, the day where they born you na wicked day.
Hey. Come here. Did you see anything?
Yes, sir.
I said, did you see anything?
Oh, no, sir. I did not see anything. In fact, my eyes blind that time. I don't see anything at all.
You better say your eyes blind.
Yes, sir.
Because if I find that you hear or see anything, I will make sure that your eyes no there again.
Yes,
you hear?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Because no one breasts Chief Donald's law. You get it?
I got it, sir. Come and close my eyes for me now. Come block my eye, make I miss. Mampi, Chibi don't hear him. Chibi hear him. Nobody breaks Chief Donald's law.
I'm the one that should be telling
Will
you.
you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth.
Eh? Did you slap me?
Come on, go to the post. Even that men do all these things. Go. If you don't take them, I will sack you.
I'm just leaving you because of Oga. If you go.
Stop! If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop on nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, now you be the final. Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego. Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way and my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill a man. Ogabano break you. No peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What you they look for Sokoto, ide for Sokoto, huh? Take come easy. If I didn't quit, Dona, Anako, Dona. Ijukwego. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, now him be the final. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, now him be the final. Dona, Anako, Dona, Ijukwego, Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way, not my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill a man. Ogabano break you. No peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What you they look for Sokoto, ide for Sokoto, huh? Take come easy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm fine. Thank you so much.
No problem. Your clothes is there. I will take you to a place so that I will get some new clothes for you.
No, sir, don't worry.
No, nobody says no to Chief Donna. This is Chief Donna. There's Chief Donna's law. I will get you new clothes, okay? So that you'll be good. You'll be fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. God bless you, sir.
No problem. Take care of me. It's okay. Go to the shop, okay?
Money stop nonsense, yeah. Ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way, not my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill a man. Ogabano break you. No peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What you they look for Sokoto, ide for Sokoto, huh? Dona, Anako, Dona. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah.
Let's the nose, huh?
Dona, Anako, Dona, Ijukwego, Dona.
They have to be fast, eh? Yes, sir. Taking my time. You want to break the donuts law? Fast.
As I get this money, now they put eye for me.
Oh yeah, you're looking potty. You're looking very. I like it. Yeah, so, can we go?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, you have nothing to give you now, eh? Okay, don't worry, we'll send a message to you, eh?
Thank you very much.
Hello?
If I didn't quit, Dona, Anako, Dona.
I'm good, my brother. How you doing? Good. Let's see what Jesus Christ. Look up.
Okay.
there. I will.
Your time, oh.
Yeah, sure. Nobody will
Don't fair Chief Dona's law. You go.
Yeah.
Morning stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. Dona, anako. You see money stop nonsense, yeah. Ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way and my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill a man. Ogabano break you, no peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What till you they look for Sokoto, it dey for Sokoto, huh? Dona. Anako, Dona, ijukwego. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako. Dona. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Thank you so much.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you.
Wonderful. What you saw today is small compared to what you will get. If you continue to be Chief Donut's girl.
Yes, Chief. I'm all yours.
Lovely. So I would like to see you tomorrow.
Okay. But Chief, I won't be available tomorrow.
Why?
I have lectures tomorrow.
Lectures? No, don't say that. You see, if you fail your exams, Chief Donut's money will make you pass. You get it?
Really?
Yes. This is Chief Donut. You know one branch Chief Donut's law. The law means that Chief Donut gets whatever he wants. So Chief Donut wants to see you tomorrow. So you make yourself available to see Chief Donut. You do not break Chief Donut's law.
No problem, Chief. I'll be available. I promise. I'll come. Thank you.
Beautiful. You're looking for it.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the phone, the hair, and the beautiful dress and makeup. Thank you so much. Thank you. Make me look so beautiful.
Don't mention. That is too small for what Chief Donut can do, eh?
Yeah.
So long as you maintain the law.
Thank you, sir.
My dear. Take.
Okay.
This is my card. You know my hotel already.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. So come there tomorrow. Okay? You need the receptionist. Just tell the receptionist to direct you to my hotel, to my room, to my suite.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Even if I'm not around, count yourself favored because you're going to spend tomorrow with the Chief Donut in his hotel suite. Okay?
Thank you.
You're looking beauty.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye, Chief. Bye.
What did I say? You're spending tomorrow with Chief Donut.
Rome.
I'm beautiful.
Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.
Hey.
If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako.
Hold on. Yeah, Donald. Latest iPhone 14. Hold on, no more. Smartphone. I'm not an Android user like you. I'm not just an Android user, but an iPhone user. It's me. Hold on. Am I doing it? It's me, Mandy. It's Ella. This wasn't the close one when we were going out. I know. Like, what's going on? Okay. Today, it's my lucky day. Guess who I met today?
Talk now, tell me. You know, at this moment, I can't even guess.
Yes, Mandy. Talk. I can't guess. Today. Okay, I'll tell you. Hold on. Don't rush me. Don't rush me, Mandy. Calm down. It's me, Ella.
Talk now, I can't wait anymore.
Okay, I'll tell you. I met Chief Dolan.
It's a lie. It's a lie now, come on.
I'm serious. I'm not lying.
So what happened?
Okay, I will explain. Okay, listen, I'm not lying. Calm down.
Fine, say.
Okay, I was walking down the road, so as God may have it, my slippers disgraced me.
As usual.
Yeah, so I missed my step and I fell. As God may have it, he was driving out of his compound, so he decided to stop and helped me. Yeah, my clothes was all stained, so he now asked me to hop into his car. Then I hopped in and drive with him. So I decided to follow him. Then he took me to his hotel and asked his staff to go get me some new dress. So after that, he now took me to a boutique. He bought me this bone straight. He bought me this beautiful dress. He bought me an iPhone. And after that, he took me to a makeup artist that gave me this beautiful pamper on my face. One last thing. Come down.
I'm sweating.
One last thing. He transferred 100K to my account. I'm serious.
Oh.
Serious. And he actually dropped me off. That man of better money, Miss Rodo.
Hold on. Wait, I want to say something. No! Are you sure it wasn't a plan one that you didn't just remove your slippers and started
No.
That is the right thing to do. You understand? That is it. Leave. Hold on. Stand it up.
Mama.
What is this? What is this?
Mama. I know you're surprised.
Surprise her.
You don't believe I can look this good, right?
Believe what? You look like a masquerade. Mom, how many times have I warned you not to dress like this anytime you want to go out? Eh? Are you a prostitute? You are shower?
What a shower? What kind of a shower? I'm attending my sister's wedding and you don't expect me to look tattered. You don't expect me to look anyhow. I need to look good.
You want to break Chief Donald's law? You want to break the law?
I am your wife. And I'm the only one permitted to break your car.
Shut up! How dare you? How dare you? Talk like that! Huh? No one breaks Chief Donald's law. You hear? Listen now. Before I open my eyes and close it, go inside there and remove this cement and paint you have on your face. Remove the cement and paint you have on your face. Nonsense. That's if you want to attend the wedding, or you want to go to the wedding. Rubbish. Look at this woman. You want to tell me how to my home? Rubbish. No one breaks the Donald's law. No one.
If you see money where Miss Road, you gon' know. If you see money where Miss Road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah.
So this woman wants me to wipe out this makeup. A makeup that took so much time to fix. He only wants me to look like a refugee, like a deeper life woman, even to attend my sister's wedding. It's just all about him. Donald's law. But whatever happens, I will attend my sister's wedding.
Oh, wonderful. Here comes my beautiful queen. My Asa. Aha! Now you come. Look at my beautiful wife. My Akweke. Ugobam. You're looking very, very lovely. You see, look at the way you're looking. Very elegant. Asa. Okay, see now, Now you can go. You can go wherever you want to go. Go and meet my in-laws in Dogum. Send my greetings to them. And make sure you come back before 6 p.m. Okay, don't worry. My driver will handle that one. Asamo. Look at that work. David! It's very smashing. Dalundum. Hey! Donald's law approved this. Beautiful. Dalo. Dada. What is this woman? How did she get all these beautiful clothes? Must be her sister. Says. Okay, you want to look beautiful, You want to bring Chief Donald's law? Impossible. Impossible. I'm taking them away. I want to look like beautiful. Are you impossible? Taking them away. Rubbish.
Mandy, the way you're staring at me, your eye will soon fall off at any time.
You don't have to blame me because when you're taking your time to do this whole makeover, I don't even understand. Is it not just to go and sit down and do yourself?
Mandy, you don't know Chief Donald, okay? Listen, that money really likes makeup a lot. He likes his woman to look good. He likes good things. Like seriously. So allow me to do my best for him.
Okay, well, remember me your paradise.
No problem, baby.
Bring a lot of goodies and take care of yourself. Be careful.
Yeah.
And I'm off to class.
Okay, don't get
See you
distracted,
later.
okay? Bye. Don't get distracted, okay? Let me look good for him, I beg. He likes makeup. Oh, beautiful.
I'm traveling, and I will be away for 2 days. So you take care of the house. I'll see you when I come back.
You plan to travel for 2 days and you're just telling me. Why are you like this? Why do you treat me like this?
The time of telling you it's not necessary. What is important is that I am traveling and I will be away for 2 days. You just take care of the house. Okay? Keep your eyes on everywhere.
Why do you treat me like this? Why? Why?
Why what?
Why do you treat me this way?
Do you want me to stay in this house or to be crying like you? Huh?
What did I ever do to you?
I'm leaving. I'll be back in 2 days. Huh? I hope you don't expect me to be here, sitting here like you and be crying. Huh? I'm not crying. I have to go. I'll go in 2 days.
If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you go know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, now him be the final. Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego.
Hello, Jen. How are you? No, I didn't forget. I'll be with you in a few minutes. I'm coming, don't worry, I'm coming right away. Okay.
Make I enjoy my life well, one thing must kill a man. Agabano Burekio. No peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. Wait till you they look for Sokoto, you there for Sokoto. Take come easy. If I didn't look with a book, Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego.
Donald, what did I do to you? What did I ever do to you? Imagine that this man has taken out all the clothes my sister gave to me. Hey, what did I ever do to this man? God, what did I do to deserve this? You think I'm very God? Okute!
Madam!
My friend, come here.
Oh, sorry.
Did you hear me call you the first time?
I hear him, but I was the noise outside distracted.
Shut up and open the gates. Okay. I'm going somewhere.
Sorry, ma'am. You are going for a crusade and you are not with your Bible. Maybe you forget.
Okute, I'm not going for any crusade. Get the gate. I'm going somewhere. Someone is waiting for me outside.
No, yes. You are just going out. You're not going for crusade and you are dressed like this. Even the mommy G of your church cannot dress this way. Let us bring our hands more. Or you want to collect the position of mommy G? The cloth is too long.
My friend, shut up and open the gates. And I'll call you.
Sorry. One woman could just hate her life like that. You carry duvet, the bed sheet where they go use it for one community. They can sew gown, they take her, they sweep the whole compound. And you want me to make her come here, come with you. That's what they take with it. Eh? See as you will cover yourself together. Even if when Mary Magdalene was a virgin, she didn't cover like this. This time around, women they look out for people where dress skimpish. You duvet yourself. And tomorrow if your husband look outside now, you go to blame him. No, very soon I go to see this compound. I go carry the thing, play them everywhere. Choma this up. Watching the dome. You go come, use your gun, sweep up for us. Only you be born again. Bakuka. Person go stay in house, go to the youth.
Why are you pushing me? Stop it! What's wrong with you?
Why are you dressed like this, Nancy?
Like how?
Where are the dresses that I gave to you?
My husband got rid of them.
Hi, not again, not again. Your husband did what?
He got rid of them.
How long will you continue in this thing called marriage? How long, Nancy? You will loosen it. Can't you see it? Just take a look at you. Nancy, I think it's high time you walk away from this marriage.
Jane, walk away?
Yes, walk away because you're looking miserable.
I can't walk away. If I walk away, what will people say?
Oh, what will people say? You really care about what people will say?
Of course I do.
You do? I don't think you do, because if you do, you will think about your dressing. You will look yourself in the mirror. Do you know what they've been saying since you turned yourself into Jehovah's Witness members? Do you know what they've been saying? Do you look at yourself in the mirror?
Jane, you are insulting me.
Insult! Hey! Insult, Nancy! I will insult you. I will scream! I will yell at you, Nancy!
Keep quiet! I'm your sister!
You're my sister.
Your elder sister at that.
Really?
Mind how you talk to me.
Oh. Nancy, can't you see that you're losing it? I will do anything to make sure. I will do anything to make sure that you come back to your senses. You're not thinking well, just look at you. Nancy, you used to be the hottest chick in your class those days. Eh? Slave queen extraordinary. Nancy, you used to be the hottest in our family. I know how many guys that came.
Jane, what do you want me to do? What?
I'm tired. You are tired. Nancy, look at you. You are looking old. You are looking so old, like our grandmother.
You're insulting me again.
Yes, I will. Why would I insult you? Why would I do that? Are you looking nice? Okay, we are meant to go somewhere now. Okay, you are out, right? You want us to go to the place?
Let's go, please.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I can't go anywhere. You look like an abandoned project. I can't go out with you. I'm sorry.
Jane, you are insulting me again.
I will do that again, my sister. Please go home. You're not looking good. Go home. I can't go anywhere with you. Stop disgracing me, Jare. Nonsense.
Do I blame you? Donuts.
Again. Some play disco. Some play Callisto. I know somebody. This one rumba. Sanye. I got a child must come back home. You got road there, you later must come back. I got Sanye. Open and by yourself, Sanye. Araba Sanye, Sanye. Mpume. Araba Sanye.
Open these gates.
Sanye.
Okuta, I said she come and open these gates.
Sanye.
I'll slap you now. Come open these gates.
If your hand ever touch me, if you touch me with that stupid hand when they go touch your guy, thunder will fire me and you. Are you okay?
Okute, so all this thing is about what you saw the other day.
Me and Oga, who's supposed to inherit you? Who's supposed to do am where? Who's supposed to be the number one? I'm supposed to lead Oga, they follow for back. After all the money I've been spending on you, just for you to agree in Chief Donald's law, part 2. Oga part 1, me part 2. Anako, Yejo, Nakola band on one side. No, they here, come, I will not be your gate opener. Anytime you crack up, I'll be a gate. Amadu and Hamabu open. Go and open the gate, let me see.
Okute, have I ever come to your door and asked you to give me money?
Is that what you're saying?
Have I asked you for money before? It's because you want to talk from my honey pot. That's why you're spending the money.
That honey pot, now you go kill you.
It go kill you.
Stupid honey pot. May that your honey pot dry forever. May it dry and never rise again. May it dry like a dry season. If they talk about honey pot, which nonsense honey pot? Ango, honey, bazagochi. Stupid thing. If they talk about honey pot, look at this nonsense where they talk about honey pot. In my cucumber lembu here. Do you know how lengthy my cucumber is? If my cucumber ever enter your honey pot, yeah, me, I saw call dry. You should be happy that somebody like me bring out my time to even look your way. Come on, let me see.
Anyway, I'll just go back inside. If madam come back, I will tell her you are the reason why I did not go and buy what she asked me to buy for her. Because you love the things.
Come on, Zuzuru, be a here face up. Look at her waist, we're nothing there inside. Small thing, they feel black up, Anna. This time, for the waka like this, I feel it reach the carry you.
Yes.
They knock her like this. They do waist like up, a minute.
Beg, open the gate.
Come force me, open her. Date for this house, you don't even know when gate is open. Come on, use that small one, it's open, your sister. Please don't worry. You're okay. If you like, no come back on time. If I don't sleep, no come here, come knock, come more. If not, I'm going to go this week. Idiot. I mean, they do salanga for. If they can ROC if you're not cheap, caterpillar for their quag. Something where we say they bring up for this house for our upkeep. You now channel it to one side. I don't even know having the day on top of you, sir. The question go in here. If I clamp on you like this, relax. Need to give me that yes, and cook at the passer. What is there?
Look at the kind of clothes you say I should be wearing every time. Imagine. How can I wear all these things for the rest of my life? No one is even better at all. What kind of marriage is this? What kind of thing is this? God, I'm tired. God, I'm tired. Help me, Lord.
How was class? I didn't come today. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Babe. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Babe, Mandy, you were supposed to stay just 2 days, but you ended up staying 3 days plus. What's happening?
I know, Mandy. Mandy, I even don't want to come back. Seriously, because Chief Donald is the most romantic man I've ever met in my life.
Chief Donald?
Yes.
Are we still talking about that same man?
Yes. Mandy, don't judge that man by his size. Okay, let me just say. If you see what that man did to my loyal government, what do you mean? Hey!
See, if you see what that man have down there, if you see the size, hey, Mandy, you will scream, oh. But that aside, guess how much he gave me?
You know I'm not good with guess.
Oh,
no, don't tell me now.
Guess for once now.
I'm not good with guessing.
Okay, he gave me 500,000. Hey! It's a lie.
I don't understand. Like how?
Yes, so like if you keep Chief Donut's law, he will keep paying.
I don't
Yes.
understand. Chief Donut's law. What's that?
Mandy,
No,
make I go peace. Make I go peace, I beg, and they come. Please, they worry me.
Chief Donut's law.
Look at Ella. A squatter in my room. A girl I'm just helping. Making so much money from Chief Donuts. Imagine the way she's looking, all beautiful, classy, like expensive. Hey. Mandy, you have suffered. She's even using iPhone 14. I will get my own pound of flesh. I will do all it takes to make sure I give Chief Donut all to myself. Let's see how it goes. Mandy.
I feel good now. Hey!
Where's the money now?
Mandy is in my account, don't worry. I'll give you 100k.
Are you serious?
Yeah, please don't touch me. Keep your hands away from me. Don't touch me.
Please, now. It's been 3 months since you've touched me. Please. I am a woman and I need you.
I said, don't touch me. Keep your hands.
Why won't I touch you? You know my husband. What are you saying? Please, now.
Don't touch me. Keep your hands away.
I can even conceive if you make me. Please, should I be begging you for this?
See, doctor, I don't know.
You know my husband.
I'm not in the mood. Just.
No, I mean, I'm in the mood.
Stay away. Just keep your hands away. Sleep.
What kind of human being is this? What kind of human being are you? Why do you want to frustrate my life? Why do you punish me? Why do you hate me so much? Why do you treat me like this? Why? You're gonna come back again? This is 3 years in marriage, no child, no peace. Now you deprive me of sex. You're a very wicked man. No love from you. All I do is to beg you every blessed day. Donald, you're very wicked. Yes, you are wicked.
Nancy, did you just call me by
I
your name?
call you by your name. You're so wicked.
Nancy, you have broken the donut's law.
Oh, donut floor, my foot. Donut floor, Guinea. Every day, donut floor. I'm tired.
You have to apologize. Like
I will break it over and over again. Why do you stab me? Why do you hate me so much?
Okay.
What is this? You are not going anywhere.
Remember the donut's law.
What stupid law?
What did you say?
What law? I'm tired. I've respected you enough. Mama,
What?
Honey, I came to say sorry. I'm sorry for how I treated you yesterday. Please, I'm very sorry. Forgive me. Sorry for calling you by your name, please.
Where is the live chicken? Look up, ma.
Must I buy it? That's why I'm saying sorry now.
Must you buy it? Oh, you're still committing another offense.
I'm sorry.
Don't come close to me if you don't have the live chicken.
Honey, sorry now. Please, sorry.
Hey, be careful. You there. Go and get the live chicken. Don't come back. 5 for 1. Come on, go. Are you not talking?
Please, I'm sorry.
Ah! Be careful. Did you hear that?
Madam.
What is it?
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Yes, Madam, no verse. I get confession where I want confess.
Confession?
Yes, ma. Confession.
What confession?
Madam, now about my room. The kind mosquito where they enter that room. You don't do too much. I couldn't ask myself, what did I do mosquito way there for this environment? Mosquito ni le yari kabra crusade na window. Hashina door, but hashina window, but I na aku me na aku nya. I couldn't wonder say what did I do mosquito? I say make I confess to you.
Okute.
Ma.
So this is the confession you came to make.
This is the nonsense you came here to say.
Madam,
Okute, is this the confession you want to confess?
Madam, which important thing they more important than something that has to do with my life, my future, my destiny, everything about me? Mosquito, tiger, malaria now. Mosquito have killed so many people in different worlds. This one what happened last night is the worst of it all ever. It can't be like say heavenly people carry all the musical equipment hotel. Bujo henaka, ndebu trumpet. Some carry trumpet, some carry ogele, some carry udu, some carry harmony. Ana akumi and give it hallelujah, hallelujah, Ana aku different kind of people. Along the line, come be like say flavor follow them come. Toya dike,
Shut up!
How come?
Hey! Okute, I've been warning you about this, your clowning. You make joke out of everything. Get out.
It's in our blood. Our family na joke na in they make us survive. If we know
Get out!
Just like that.
Reverend, get out! Do you have to make a joke out of everything?
I know why they talk about. Now you say get out.
Okute, leave here, please. Get out.
I don't leave.
And you, why are you laughing? What's funny about what you just did? My friend, take this money. Run down to the market, get me a live chicken. This is 10,000. Get me a live chicken, a very big cock, very presentable one. Big one? Yes. Be fast about it. It's urgent. Big one. Run. Yes. Fast, Neka, please. I don't have all the time. Okay, let me go.
If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop for nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, now you be the final. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way, not my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill Emmanuel. I want no break you, no peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. Wait till you they look for Sokoto, you dey for Sokoto, huh? They come easy, if I didn't look with you. Dona, Anako, dona, Ijukwego. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk,
what was that rubbish you tried to put there when I was leaving?
Oh. Now him get just all this English. So all this grammar where they speak now, that small thing why I do there. Now him get all this grammar. Okay? Maybe because I never go report you to madam. Now he make you still get mouth. Get the effrontery, get the impetus. If you not rise before me, maybe I will go and report you to the madam. I will not tell them what you and Oga they do. Yes! After all, they go pata, they go sack 2 of us. If they sack us, I go, you go. After you don't chop my money since. You refuse to open leg for me after everything what I don't do for you in this house. You refuse to welcome me to Chief Donald's floor.
Stop it, Abel. Are you blackmailing me?
Oh, you still get mouth to speak English, Abi? Madam,
No verse now. No verse. Okay, see, you know what happened? I'll come to your room this night. I'll come to your room this night.
You will?
I'll come to your room this night, don't
Igle down. Make you no go be like all that night. So when you go promise me say you go come, you don't get you go here. The only mosquito go enter there, come the same praises for me.
No, see tonight I'm coming to your room. Don't worry. I promise I'm coming to your room this night.
You go wear clothes.
You know my wear clothes come before. I don't say this one don't sweet you.
This is the best news I've ever heard. I go come to your room. I go come to your room. Hey, for people you got to konyoshi. Say you know, anybody where they go that kind of work, you got to do konyoshi. Hey, I'm going to wrong. We got ya. Oh.
Say you're very happy. Don't worry, I'll come to you.
You will come. No problem. If you don't say you will come, to prove say you will come, give me a hug.
Only a hug. So that one. Hey, good day. Oh, good day. Hey. Is that how to hold?
It's all like a bread. It's all like a city bread. Hey. Wow, it's sweet.
Hey.
I never do, but you don't do sweet me.
Yeah.
You are karaoke.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey. Oh, good day.
Maybe this will go by Jama tonight.
Oh, good day.
Come here. I know.
You have killed me.
Come to go. You're sweet. If you refuse to knock very fast, I'll go fast forward and make it 10 or 8.
No problem.
You sweet dad. And you come back. Oh
my God! Stop it! Stop! Are you crazy?
Okay, come to me.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Share
your own. Are you mad?
Amusu. So now you carry up like one. No wonder the joy
you look like your class.
You come on,
are you crazy?
You are classless. Don't talk about class.
Where is Nancy?
If you are talking about class, you shouldn't talk.
Where is my sister? Nancy!
The nasty
you
guy.
You employed the maniac in your compound. Oh my God. Where is Nancy? You!
You don't go do anything. Just tell me before if you come here, you're going to kill it like this.
Nancy!
Go!
Nancy!
Can not be only Nancy. You are a nasty girl. Look at her flatness. Who could you girl look at one boost? I think say na my girl I carry on. Could you girl and you they smile. Can you imagine that? Huh? Just I can't carry you up, can't spoil my joy. No wonder I lift you up, the joy is just disappearing. So I'm going to talk about that. Money sweet small, but not to say too sweet. Somebody will don't promise me tonight. Hey, here we're night with the queen. Abale agadi egwu. Why in Erekunu? Please make sure you pass today. Because him ganyota 2 liter.
You have to stop running, okay? I'll take care of you. Send you 500,000.
Eh?
Yes.
It's chief.
Yes.
500,000. It's a lie.
It's your
God bless you.
Okay.
I'm serious.
Okay.
500,000.
Okay.
Okute. Okute. Lapaboy.
This one you're breathing like this. What is the matter? And since when did you start exercising like that?
Oh, madam. You will not understand. I have a Olympic game to play tonight. So I'm getting ready, warming up.
Okute Olympic Games?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
You will not understand. He that gathered the ant-infested firewood should not grumble when the lizard pay him visit. I am the head that carries the ogidi. As it's in a bogidi, ogidi. So that is it. I have a very crucial game to play tonight. So I'm just warming up. Because this game, you don't need to bother your brain. Because telling you about the game is disturbing your beautiful brain. Just allow me to do my thing.
Okay, yes. If you say so.
Yes, ma'am.
But do we have enough gas in the generator for tonight?
The last time I checked, we don't have enough. But I already told her. He said Felia will be back on their way coming. So let's wait. But if eventually they did not buy, I
don't understand that.
Yes, it will be on my own favor. Because the game I'm about to play, our game I'm about 3. Yes, game me 3.
I don't understand you. Look, as you're playing your Olympic games, just be careful so that you don't have yourself injured before your game starts.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for that advice. Never know. Never. Hey. 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 Oh. Hey. Let me do that.
Babe, where have you been? I've been waiting for you for over 3 hours now and you've not been picking your calls. What happened?
My sister. Sorry, my phone was on silent. Today, I ran into one of my mom's sisters today. She took me to her church. She practically dragged me to her church. That was how one of their pastors prophesied that me, Mandy, is an Ogbanji.
Obagini.
I'm telling you the truth. It's not funny, Do you know they even told me that I'll have to come back for the final deliverance session? But trust me now, even 10 of them can't even take me to that church again, trust me.
Yes, now because you're one Gina. So I can tell people carry you.
Are you mad?
So tell people cannot carry you.
Me and you is the blood banjo.
Hey, I put something to fight.
Are you cooking? Yes, no. So where you cook today? So they cook today. Be like say. I can't believe my plan worked after the third attempt. This chief has more than enough cash to throw around. He even ended up giving me the sum of 500,000 naira. Omo, I would hold this man with my 2 hands, with my heart, with everything in me. Not even Ella can smell him again. Omo, see money. Babe, where the food? I never done. You never done.
If you see money where miss road, you go know. If you see money where miss road, you go know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. Donald, anako. Dona, ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this.
The chicken has been served and is on the dining room.
Good. I'll be there in a few minutes.
Mom, I hope you've forgiven me.
Yes, I have forgiven you, but make sure you do not break Chief Donald's law again. Okay?
I will not. But please, you two should also try to understand that I'm your wife.
I hope you want me to eat the chicken that you prepare.
Yes, now. I want you to.
You want me to eat the chicken?
I want you to eat it. I prepared this for you.
Okay, allow me that.
Ijukwego. If you see money where miss road, you go know. If you see money where miss road, you go know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. Dona, anako. You see money stop nonsense, yeah. Ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year.
You don't want me to eat it again?
Am I not your wife? I just came to see how you're faring with the chicken.
You want to eat?
No.
So, what's the problem?
Can't I stay around you again?
You gave me chicken to eat and you're still here looking at me. Okay, come and sit now. Come and eat.
Sorry. Biko Tim, sorry.
I got the chicken in peace. And I go.
What can one ever do to please you?
No, sorry. No go. And I go. As long as you maintain $10 law, that won't be a problem. I ain't been here now. Remember? I need to live now. I'm gonna come back.
If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. Donald, anako. Dona, ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way na my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill Emmanuel. Agabano break you, no peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What till you they look for Sokoto, it dey for Sokoto, huh? Take come easy, if I didn't look with you. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. Dona, anako. You see money stop nonsense, yeah. Ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way na my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill Emmanuel. Agabano break you, no peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What till you they look for Sokoto, it dey for Sokoto, huh? Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere.
I said, baby.
I was just trying to make sure you're safe.
I'm safe. Little bit. Trying to make sure I'm safe in my own house. Yeah.
10,000 naira to get myself some drugs.
Less. Nancy, I told you I don't have money. I don't have money.
It's just 10,000 to get drugs for myself. I don't feel good.
Just. Okay. This is 700. This is all I can spare now.
You're giving me 700 to get drugs for myself. What can this money do for me?
I am going that this is all I can spare now. Take it, manage it, and take care of yourself.
What kind of thing is this? Why are you like this?
Like how?
You're giving me just 700 out of 10,000.
That is what I can say. I'm going back. I also need money. So use this one to take care of yourself. Eh?
700.
Thank you.
Why are you like this? Why?
What
kind of human being is this? What am I going to do with this money?
Shey no say you wicked. Shey no say na wickedness na him keep you like this. And na that wickedness na him go keep you inside this apron until the end of your life.
That same wickedness, you see this gate man cloth you wear, you will remain in this gate man cloth till the end of your life. You see this gate, that's where you belong.
You're a fool.
You're a fool.
You kept me awake. You tell me say they come last night. I went and arranged myself. I buy materials. You know how many packets of cap why I buy keep? Buy cap, buy materials, buy every other thing I go use work. I can't day up there.
Hey, how many cap will you buy?
I buy cap where they go take bury you. I buy the number of cap where they go take bury you. Hey. You see this is what you do. You go collect.
Collect it.
You go collect.
Wait, so for your mind, you look me neck, I go waka come for this your domot. I go waka come your room.
Why you no go come my room? Eh? You rich people where they come my room.
In your dreams.
You rich people because I want to help you. I want to help you do something. You rich people where they come my room. You know how many people where I don't rock down? You know how many guests where I don't rock down with my cucumber? Now you where be attaching with this shit. Where I just want to help you. You dey here them. You see all this is what they do for this house. Today, if I not report you to madam, call me back.
You go report me to madam.
Yes, I will.
You go report.
I will report you. Madam, na neck out. Now this is stupid neck.
Madam, you know Okute don't have anything reasonable to say. Very well now. Madam, he's not.
I have nothing to report, Abi.
Madam, he has nothing.
I have. Okay. No wahala.
Nek, are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay, ma.
Okute.
Ma.
I don't have anything to say to the both of you. I'm going somewhere. By the time I come back, I will deal with this issue.
Let her.
Okute, open the gate. Okay.
Come back, let me finish. I'm idiot. I'm in my compound. Come here now, come face me.
I will deal with you.
I will deal with you.
I will deal with you.
I don't start the deal with you. For this house, you go hear her. I go show you when, stupid girl. Just go and thank your God. Say, Madam Uwemuda just came up and interrupted me. I would have shown you the stuff I made up of. You made me last night. I just there up there. Come pull up my cloth, bro. Mkelem keto. That's why they rise, they come down. They rise, they come down. They wait for you. Any program I go open the thing say na you. I can't swallow speed finish. You know come. Makachineka go force you do am. Idiot. Yeah, you there for the same compound. It is me and you. You know how many guests why they rock outside? You there for kitchen now. This nonsense. Many way they cook here. Every day they for toilet. And the manager because of the small likeness why they see for your back. This I love you from my heart. Yeah, mommy here, won't be happy.
Nancy, what are you doing here? I thought I told you never to show up in my shop looking this way. Huh?
Jane, please stop. Stop now. I am your sister. Even if everybody rejects me, will you still reject me?
I am not rejecting you, sister.
What are you doing?
I am only concerned about your dressing. Just take a look at you.
Please, this is not why I'm here.
So why are you here?
Jen is my husband.
I know, right? What about him this time? What has he done?
Do you know that this man, for 3 good months now, this man has stopped touching me. He hasn't laid his hand on me. Outside that, he has stopped giving me money.
Hey!
I asked him for just 10,000 to get malaria drugs for myself.
Hey!
Do you know what this man did? He gave me 700.
Just 700. I'm dead though. I'm going crazy.
God. Really? Wait. First of all, it was your dresses. He stopped you from looking good. Now it's sex. And then money again. I hope you're not going to tolerate this. Oh. At least you can tolerate that, stopping you from dressing good, but not depriving you of sex. I mean, it's your marital right.
What will I do?
And then money. This man wants to make you mad.
See, I'm mad already.
Every day he's busy chasing after girls on skimpy skirts and clamped faces. Wasting his strength on them and his money. Is it because I've not told you?
Nancy, please stop. See, my husband can be anything on earth, but certainly not a womanizer. Forget what I said. I actually didn't say that.
Hey God. What is wrong with my sister? What is wrong with this my sister? Oh, sometimes I just wonder if you're still my sister. Is anything wrong with you? How can you be defending a man that is treating you this way, Nancy?
Please, this is not why I'm here.
Why are you here?
Why are you here? Be fast, please. I'm busy. I came for you to lend me 10,000 so that I can get drugs for myself. I don't want your sister to die now.
Of course, I will give you. You're my sister. I will give you just 10K. I will give you. Don't refund it, though. But see,
I'll pay you back. Don't worry.
I will prove to you that your husband is cheating on you.
Jane, please stop, please.
Once I call you on the phone, once I call you and say, Nancy, come out. Just get ready. Wear your clothes, your shoes. Come out. And I will prove it to you that your husband, your so-called husband, Mr. Perfect, is cheating on you. I'll prove it.
Okay. Till you call me. Give me the 10,000, I beg. I want to go and buy drugs.
Just hold on, let me give it to you. Just see the way you're dressed. Hey!
Just get me the 10,000, let me go.
Nonsense.
Babe, we're looking so worried for a few minutes now. Is everything okay?
Everything is not fine. Chief has not been picking my call. I agreed on meeting today.
Oh dear. I'm sure he's not busy. Why don't you just give him time? He's gonna call you.
I don't think so. He's not busy because he barely replies even my messages. He has been ignoring my messages and he's not even picking my calls. The chief I know doesn't stay a day without hearing my voice or even replying my messages. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, that's so sad. No, just take it easy. He's gonna call you back.
It's alright, no problem. Thank you so much.
Hey, babe, I'll be leaving now. I have to go and see my boyfriend. Okay?
Okay.
I just have to leave you today. So,
alright, bye.
Alright. Bye, take care.
Okay, bye.
So, bye.
On this day in 1993, the Convention on Biological Diversity.
Jane, I told you, let's leave here, beg. I told you that my husband can be anything but not a cheat. Calm down, what? Let me leave here, because
you will see them soon.
You're always insisting.
I told you, I'm finished. You're finished. Will you believe me now or not?
So Donald could do this to me.
He said I was lying.
What kind of marriage is this? What kind of marriage is this? I've been a very good wife to him. I've done my best in this marriage. I've done virtually everything every good wife should do. Why does he despise me? He prefers girls outside. God, come to my rescue. God, where are you? Tell me what to do. God, tell me.
You think I didn't see you? Was that not Chief Donald that just dropped you off? Huh, Mandy? My eyes was not deceiving me. I saw it all. So you are the reason why Chief Donald has not been picking my calls or replying my messages. Mandy, what did I ever do to you? My own Chief Donald.
Your own Chief Donald. Your own Chief Donald. Hey. How? How is he your own chief? Is Chief your boyfriend? Is he your husband? No, explain to me how he is your own chief.
That doesn't give you the right to go and stay with him at my back. What did you even tell him about me? So you were the cause why he has not been replying my messages or picking my calls. You are evil, you can even kill.
Hey,
how did I even become your friend?
You have said enough. Oh, you don't know how you became my friend. Oh yeah, go pack your talking shit out of my house.
Mandy, are you asking me to leave your house?
Since you don't know how you became my friend, just go there, pack your things and leave my house immediately.
Really?
Yep.
Because of Chief?
Yes.
Well, I rather live than to be under the same room with a backstabber and an evil soul like you. You wicked!
I said leave my house!
No!
If you see money where miss road, you go know. If you see money where miss road, you go know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. Donald, anako. Dona, ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way and my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill Emmanuel. Agabano break you. No peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What till you they look for Sokoto, you there for Sokoto, huh? Take come easy, if I didn't look with a book. Dona, anako. Dona.
Yeah, hey.
So welcome.
Nobody should see me, eh?
Today?
Yeah.
What if that?
If you see money where miss road, you go know. Money stop nonsense, yeah.
Come on.
And if I talk,
My husband.
What?
Please, I've missed you.
Oh, what is the problem?
Sweetheart, please, pity me, I'm a human being.
Oh, please. I'm not in the mood. I have a lot of business engagement today. I am not in the mood.
Please.
Okay, tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
I've missed having you in me, please.
Nancy, I don't want to repeat myself again, please. I said I'm not okay, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow, Ovulate what? Yeah. On the AC, if you're hot. On the AC. Wait. Please, I'm tired, Maybe tomorrow.
Why are you even like this? Why are you so wicked?
No problem. Thinking about money in the dream. Talking later. That's why I'm here.
If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, now him be the final. Dona, Anako, Dona.
Is that not a step too far? A step too far?
Yes.
Jane, am I supposed to be telling you how far this man has gone in breaking me? This is a step to my freedom. And I have to take this step to be free. No one can stop me from doing it. Well, he deserves it, Jerry. I support you on this. Good. Now you're talking. We'll do it together.
No peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What till you they look for Sokoto, they for Sokoto, Take come easy. If I didn't look with a book, Dona.
Hey, young lady, stop there. Come on, stop there. This is Mandy's girlfriend.
Really?
Yes.
Same Mandy?
Yes.
I don't understand what's going on here. Who are you and why are you telling someone I barely know that I'm Mandy's friend? Who told you I'm Mandy's friend?
And how many questions do you want us to answer?
Answer anyone. How can you just stop me on the way and start telling someone I barely know that I'm Mandy's friend?
Okay. Do you know me?
What do I want to do with someone like you? Listen, I don't go to Pentecostal churches, so I don't know people like you, okay?
Will you shut up your mouth? Do you want to end up in the prison yard? Do you?
You. Who wants to put me there? This?
Let me enlighten you.
Oh my God.
Let me shock you. Little brat. I'm Chief Donald's wife.
You? Chief Donald's wife? Hell no. Chief Donald that I know like flashy ladies like me. Okay? Yeah. And not people like you.
Good. You're not the reason why I'm here.
So, excuse me then.
My friend, stand there. You're not actually the reason why I'm here. Where is your friend? Where's Mandy?
That snitch. That snitch that sent me out of her house. Please, she's not my friend.
Oh, she's no longer your friend, your partner in crime. She snitched on you and took your beloved, your beloved chief, from you. Your Mugu money spender. Stupid girl. You're pained, right? You are hot. You can imagine how she's feeling. Huh? Do you know how she's feeling? You don't care. Are you ready to give us Mandy's number or not? Or do you want me to call your father? 1, before the count of 5.
But I don't have anything to do with Mandy anymore and I don't even have anything to do.
Hey, listen up. I am not here to battle words with you. Give me Mandy's number. It's an order and you have to obey it. Do you want me to call your father? Give her the number. Chasing after people's husband. Imagine.
Here,
You can give it to me. Nonsense. Look at the phone she's using. She bought it for you.
Obviously bought by my husband indeed. And look at what I'm using. Look at her. Look at her hair. You pay for all this nonsense. My husband's money. Evil girls. You are money. That's not the reason why I'm here. I'll come for you.
We'll see her watch. I know it's cheap that bought it for you. Thief. Think I don't know your story.
Oh my god. Now, call out your number for me.
Be fast, my dear. Don't waste our time.
08080. Better. 22. 38. 4699.
Did you get it, Nancy?
Good girl. Yes, I did.
Okay.
You know what? Whenever I call you, make sure you pick up this call and deliver exactly what I want you to do.
But, ma'am, your husband was going to be picking my call. I've not been going.
Oh, shut up!
Ma'am, please, I'm sorry.
For the times you went out with him, you will pay for it. I will have you arrested.
But I've stopped talking to your husband.
Shut up! I'm calling the police on you.
Ma'am, please forgive me.
Please what?
I've stopped talking to your husband. He doesn't pick my phone.
You don't know the law of karma. You don't know you pay for it. Everything, from head to toe, you will pay for it.
Please,
silly girl.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
This hair you're wearing, my husband's money. I won't do it. And I can't remember asking you if you will do it or not. It's an order and you have to obey it.
And what sort of useless order is that?
Then you will leave us with no choice than to tell your father, Reverend Amadi. Are you surprised? We will tell him everything, all your daredevil arts. He sent you to school to study and you're busy sleeping with people's husbands, right? Silly girl.
How did you know about my father?
And how did you know Chief Donald? Are you surprised? I have all the infos about you.
Prostitute.
That's what you are.
Mind your language.
That is what you are.
What are you?
What are you going to do about it? Change who you are.
Like I said, I wouldn't do it.
You just have to do it because you have no choice here.
I can't do it!
Should I call your father?
Please, we have his number. Call him right away.
Fine. Fine.
Little brat.
I will do
it. Good. And now, Ella.
Yes, Mrs. Donald.
I'm sure you know your role in all of this.
Yes, Madam.
So I need a perfect work. No mistakes about it.
She's now humble.
No problem. It's fine.
Good girl.
You know you're evil though.
You are evil personified.
Then let's go.
If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah.
Okay, doctor.
And if I talk,
let it be as we planned. You've heard all that I said to you.
All right, madam. I've heard all you said. It's okay.
Please give it your best.
I will.
It's very important.
I'll try. I'll try. Don't worry. I'll try. I beg to take my leave now.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Take it.
as I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way and my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, one thing must kill Emmanuel. Agabano break you. No peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What till you they look for Sokoto, you dey for Sokoto, huh? Take am easy. If I dey look with a book, Dona, Anako, Dona.
What? Your house rent or your bill? Which one?
Chief, everything is not about money.
I can take care of it. You know why you're doing like this? What is it?
Chief, I'm HIV positive.
And you're allowed to touch you?
You were the one that gave it to me.
Hi! Me? Yes!
Here you are. Here you are. Gee, why did you do this to me? Why?
What
What on earth have I done to deserve this?
What did I do?
I am HIV positive. You're bad! You're wicked! And you, Randy, you're wicked too! You're not this thing. You're a bad! And you, Randy!
If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk,
What is wrong with your boss? Why is he looking so tattered?
Madam, honestly, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, ma. He just came out this way from his hotel room. The next thing I heard was, Fabian, take me home. You know me now. I just had to do it. Just to meet up.
Just like that?
Just like that, ma.
Okay, please take the bag inside.
Okay, ma.
Donut law.
make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, want them must kill a man. Agabano break you. No peace, so life will be.
This is your result.
What do you they look for Sokoto, you dey for Sokoto, huh? They come easy. If I dey look with a book,
Go ahead and
Dona, Anako, Dona, easy fuego. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk,
Chief, please, you have to calm down, okay? You don't have to be like that. Listen, this is not a death sentence, okay? With modern treatment, all you just need to do is to live on drugs for the rest of your life. But you can live your life to the fullest, like every other human being. The difference is just the drugs you have to be taking every day. Okay? Chief, I hope you can hear me. Please, you have to calm down. I have to attend to other patients. Thank you.
What is the problem? For the past 1 week, You haven't left the house. You cry every day. Hmm? What's going on? They practically force you to eat your food. Even to take your bath is not a problem. Your businesses are out there with no one to attend to them. Tell me, is there something you want us to talk about? Please tell me. Stop. Stop crying. You know I hate to see you like this. Okay, please tell me. Is there something I should know?
Oh my God!
Please, Jenny. This is no longer funny. Forget that I'm smiling. This is no longer funny.
Really?
It's been 9 whole days. My husband hasn't left the bed. Talk more of the house. He keeps crying. He runs temperature. Please, let's find a way to end this whole thing. I'm not ready to lose my husband now. I still love him.
Well, I think I agree with you. But I just hope he has learned his lessons.
He has. He has really learned his lessons. You needed to see him. The Donald you know is no longer the person I'm seeing now. He has really learned his lessons. Please, let's end it.
Okay, if you say so.
Husband not anywhere.
Please forgive me.
Forgive you? Forgive you what?
Madam, I've been sleeping with Oga.
Excuse you? You've been what?
Oga, he keeps blackmailing me. And if I don't sleep with him, he will fire me.
Nneka, you've been sleeping with my husband under my nose?
Madam, I needed the job to take care of my sick mother. And now I had his HIV positive.
And how did you get that?
I overheard him talking to Pastor Jerry on the phone. That Pastor Jerry should help him ask God to forgive him. It was where he confessed everything. Madam, please, forgive me. I want to go back to the village. That's the best place for me to die. I don't want to die here in the city.
Get up. I forgive you.
Madam, just like that. Oh. What have I done to myself? Oh. What have I done to myself? Mommy, my mother. Hey.
That's all this life be. Hey, Obinigwe, Kagi Wakam. That's how I protect swim, enter into the river Jordan. Enter Maburu Potote or Pentana or your Chinese in Bawa. So that's how I protect carrying sickness. Thank God I no swim. All these are refusals now for my own good. Hey, Chineke ni iwe onye agbụgbama. You onye agbụgbama, you told me in the book of Ecclesiastes that you shall reveal the secret of the whole, the secret. That's why you take revealer for me. Come save me from the hands of sickness. Sickness no be say umururu sickness na or area gid area mo. Ha! 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 These people just carry me go back to COVID-19 period. When everybody they fear everybody, they cover nose, they cover everything. See normal, very fantastic work we done they do here. Therefore can't carry somebody, can't enter here once for them. You don't go ever see better. Anybody? Hey, step there. Stop there, don't step forward. What is it? Talk! Nkume.
Madam said I should give you this detergent. You should wash her car.
Yeah. Ekute. Madam said I should give you this detergent. You see what? Your voice not they go up again. Odam fegu, ofetuole. Before your voice go they go up. I go talk one, you go talk four. Since when you don't carry anti-infested firewood. Oluga abatuole. You see your life. I thank God say you refused me. All those refusals are not for my good. Hey! The Father of heaven and earth, you have really saved me from the hands of the warrior. Drop him there.
Meaning what?
Meaning say I don't want to die with you. I know we're not gonna die together. Meaning say you don't carry, say you don't carry. You don't carry an anigo, Obrina Jota. Drop it there and move.
They used to love me.
Nkume, I now hate you. I used to. It isn't a love be that time. That time I wanted to just piam nguru hanagon mbafu. When I thank God say you refuse me, give jum jakonum. I'm sorry for my own good. Hey! Onyen tuari here. Na me tuari ala monodo. Please drop it for granted there and then leave. Auntie, drop this thing and move now. No, listen, a better thing you do for me, save that time when you no enter. Me yoga, no say God just dey fight my battle. Fight my battle, fight my battle, fight my battle, oh Lord. Anything be settled, we settle. Fight my battle, oh Lord. Go now, let me sanitize the place. You should go fair. So good they do. I'm not gonna ask. But we should go. The holy water, the blood of Jesus, the detergent, every sickness, I bind you. All the sickness of the Gentile, to follow them, go back. Every sickness of the Gentile, back to center. Yes. Take them, Ghanaian, say yes. Where is that? Fire. Not me go kill for my mama. Hey, you know, this is it. This is the final bus stop. Chief Donald's law. And now come, Ekotaloria. Chief Donald's law. Come here. Come. The law has lawed into you. Nonsense here.
You sounded so worried on the phone. So even though it is late, I still came to see you.
Doctor, I'm really very worried. I'm very, very worried. Since we gave my husband that result, I can barely recognize him. He hasn't left his room ever since then. He keeps crying. He runs temperature. I practically force him to eat his food. Doctor, I think it's time we do the needful. Please come and do the needful. Before this is self-victimization will lead him to suicide. I don't want to lose him now.
I actually accepted to do this because I had warned your husband when he contracted one STI. He came for me for medications. I treated him. But then I advised him to stop running after these little girls and treat you right as his wife. But he turned deaf ears. Honestly, your husband needed to be taught a bitter lesson.
I think he has learned his lessons. Please, come and do the needful.
Not to worry. I'll come around tomorrow with his free results.
Okay, please. Make it early. Please.
You don't have to worry. You know, I quickly rushed to see you when I got your call.
Thank you.
So what about your sister?
You mean Jane?
Yes.
That one, she's fine.
I hope you girls have learned your lessons.
Please, no matter how bad it gets, stay away from people's husband. If you were married and your husband begins to run after other girls, how would you feel? You will feel bad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So please, stay away from people's husband. You see, you girls are from good homes. Focus on your studies. Graduate, get a degree and get a life. A noble man will come your way. Okay, just think about it. If all the drama and the games you played were to be real, what would have been your fate by now?
You're right, ma'am. I actually thought of that too. I asked myself, I said, what if the HIV was real? What would I have done? Ma, please, I'm so sorry. I promise. Me personally, I will not do such again. Please forgive me. Miss Jane, please, I'm so sorry. I promise. I will not do such again.
Learn to forgive. She said she's sorry.
Sorry. Will they return all the money that Chief squandered on them? Just look at them.
Don't
Silly
worry.
girls. You're sorry.
It doesn't matter anymore.
Will you return the money?
I've heard what you said, okay? I forgive you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ella, please, I'm sorry for everything I did to you. No need of justifying my actions. At least I should have told you. Look, my room feels so empty. I'm incomplete without you around me. Please, come back home. My friend, I'm very sorry, please. Forgive me. Please. Please. Please.
It's fine. It's fine. I miss you too, but why do you have to do that?
I'm so sorry.
It's fine, I forgive you. I miss you
sure?
too. Come here.
Come here. Are you sure? Let's go.
Welcome. Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Please make yourself comfortable. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jenny, how are you?
I'm fine with you.
Okay, I'm okay. Let me call my husband.
Okay.
We'll be able to shopping. I'm just here. I'm just there. You're welcome.
Stop. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
That's it.
You all are welcome.
Thank you.
I called for this meeting and I'm happy that you're all here. This is my sister and this is our family doctor. There is nothing to hide. I want to tell my husband here how angry and bitter I am with him. Donald here married me, a very classy and beautiful lady. He even said it with his mouth, that he married me because of how beautiful, classy, sexy and hardworking I was. And then I accepted to marry him. The first thing he did was to ask me to quit my job. At first I refused. But because I am a woman who loves her husband and had always wanted a peaceful home, I accepted and I left my job. Suddenly, he asked me to stop wearing the things that made me who I am, the beautiful things that made me classy. I stopped, as if that was not enough. He started starving me of sex while he was busy out there sleeping with every girl on the street. It wasn't still enough for him. He stopped giving me money. He practically turned me into an old woman. He reduced me to this. When I complain, Donald will tell me that I'm breaking the Donald's law. Selfish and self-centered laws he created just to dehumanize me. Just look at me.
It's okay, man. Stop crying, okay?
3 years in marriage. No child. No peace. No rest of mind. Donald, you have finished me. You have finished me. Look at me. What is remaining?
I'm sorry, my dear wife. Please forgive me. I was insecure. I was afraid that other men will come and take you away from me. That was what pushed me to be doing all that I did. Please, forgive me. I wish I would have an opportunity to reverse everything. I will do you right. I wish God can come and take care of me and keep me in good health.
Chief Donald, I warned you. I warned you severally. Look at what you have put this innocent woman through. Well, after this day, if you go back to your old ways, then God will never forgive you.
I've realized my mistakes. I will never try it again. Yes, I want God to give me the opportunity so that I can reverse everything that I did that is not right. So that I will take care of my wife and we will live happily as a husband and wife. I wish God can come and heal me so that I will correct all the problems. We will live happily. Please, forgive me. Forgive me, please.
Chief, here is your result. You are not HIV positive. Your wife and I, alongside her sister here, we had it planned out just to make you retrace your steps before it is.
Please, I can't stand to see you like this. Please, Mama, get up.
Wow, this is my chocomilk. I'm looking smashing. Very beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, Anaka, this is Chief Donut's Law. You're looking smashing. Hey, Anaka, hello.
Madam, is this you?
Okute, how are you?
I'm fine. You look different. Oh my God. So this kind of fine day your body since. Hey, your man, good thing is good. Wow.
Thank you.
Oga, Chineke, you look healthier. Did you change your drugs?
Yes,
Don't worry. When we reach heaven, we will shake over there. But for now, here all about shaking. Let's end it, oh? You shake Rory.
Neka, I see you've been crying well. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. See, you don't have HIV, judging by my husband's results.
Madam, I don't understand.
Yes. You don't have HIV. I did what I did just to teach you all a lesson. And my husband has learned his lessons. He won't blackmail you any longer. And I hope you've learned your own lessons. Okay?
Wait, madam.
Yes.
What I just heard, is it true?
Oh yes, it's true.
You planned it all?
I planned it all.
Go on. Hey! You are a daughter of your mother. Hey!
It's okay. I'll go and open the gate now. I'm taking my wife.
Good.
Then you remove all this your mask and all this.
Already removed, sir. Congratulations, sir.
It's okay.
I am now properly welcomed into Chief Donald's law. Hey! I gonna Thank you, sir. I gonna
Neka, please stop, okay? And in case you still want to go back to the village and die, I will tell my husband and he will give you money. So that when you die and get to heaven, you will start up your restaurant business you always want.
Madam, thank you so much. Your kind is Ray. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, you can go back inside. For now, you're not going anywhere, so go and rest. Rest yourself.
It's okay. Let us go.
All right. See you around.
If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, na him be the final. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way, not my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, it no concern you. Make I enjoy my life well, one thing must kill a man. I want to break you, no peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What till you they look for Sokoto, you there for Sokoto, huh? Take come easy, if I didn't look with you. Dona, anako. Dona, ijukwego. If you see money where miss road, you gon' know. If you see money where miss road, you go know. Money stop nonsense, yeah. And if I talk, now you be the final. Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego. Dona, Anako. You see money stop nonsense, yeah. Ijukwego. As I get this money, now they put eye for me. Now my life will be this year, my way, not my way. Make I enjoy this life the way I want them, you know, concern you. Make I enjoy my life, well, want them must kill a man. Akabano Burekio, no peace, so life will be. Charity begins at home. What do you they look for Sokoto, ide for Sokoto, huh? Dona, Anako. Dona, Ijukwego.